To enable Venmo transfer, you need to have a Venmo account and a bank account or debit card linked to it. First, open the Venmo app on your mobile device and log into your account. If you do not have a Venmo account, you can sign up for one by providing your email address, phone number, and other basic information. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Settings menu by tapping on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. From the Settings menu, select Payment Methods and then add a bank account or debit card. You can link your bank account by providing your account and routing numbers or by using the Instant Verification option if your bank supports it. If you choose to link a debit card, you will need to provide the card number, expiration date, and security code. After linking your bank account or debit card, you can enable transfers by going back to the Settings menu and selecting Transfer to Bank. You will then see the option to enable instant transfers, which allows you to transfer funds to your bank account or debit card instantly for a small fee. Alternatively, you can choose the standard transfer option, which takes 1 to 3 business days and is free. To initiate a transfer, go to the Venmo app and tap on the Transfer to Bank option. Enter the amount you want to transfer and select the transfer speed. Review the transfer details, including the fee if you choose instant transfer, and confirm the transaction. It is essential to note that you need to have a verified account to transfer funds, which requires providing your social security number and date of birth. Additionally, there are weekly transfer limits, and you can only transfer funds to a bank account or debit card that is in your name. In conclusion, enabling Venmo transfer is a straightforward process that requires linking a bank account or debit card to your Venmo account and selecting the Transfer to Bank option. By following these steps, you can easily transfer funds from your Venmo account to your bank account or debit card, making it a convenient way to manage your finances.